I need my peace so I isolate from the world.
Jesus peace.
Dude, this shit was sped up for this life had
It don't snow,
occurred.
that's all, gang.
Where the time goes.
Yo, this is crazy, dude. It is snowing in South Carolina, bro. This is so crazy right now. It's crazy. It's busting out here. It is so cold, dude. This is overly insane, bro. Imagine. I'm about to shoot a music video in TV, dude. Quiet, where you at, dude? Bro, it is rain. It is snowing, gang. It is snowing right now. This is crazy. My brother, this is crazy. Bro, it's just like, it don't snow in this out, gang. Jesus peace. All glory. Change, bro. But you gotta sit to the vlog, gang. Bro, what are you gonna say to the vlog? It's like a...
This is beautiful, you heard? I would try to understand this every day, you heard? Like this snow, like the way it's like snowing, it's ridiculous. Like nigga, I might not even need to go snowboarding anymore, you feel me? Cause I'm just gonna go get a board, nigga. Just like look at this, son. Look like
Yo, that's crazy, dude.
shout out to my Dukes, nigga. You heard?
Shout out to
Shout
dude.
out my Dukes, nigga.
I
Shout
go.
out my granny, nigga.
Yo, look at your hair, bro.
Bro, my hair.
Oh my gosh, you.
Oh shit.
We gotta go to crib, bro. We gotta go to crib. All right, y'all boys and girls. It is currently the next morning. And it is crazy. Like this junk is dumb thick. Like look at this, bro. Like look how deep that junk is going. Like this is honestly super crazy right now. Like being from the South, you know, we don't get snow at all. And the times that we have almost got snow, well, we were to say to get snow, they be lying to us every time. But we got Q out here. He making his little snowmans or whatever the hell he doing. There you go, man. What you doing out here?
I'm making shamar. Y'all see shamar? Making shamar. I change. This the mic?
Yeah.
I'm making shamar. See, he got into a fight. That's why he kind of, understand? As y'all can see.
He got on bait. Bait.
That shit. But
Bait.
we working on it. You feel me? I gotta go find him some hair and stuff like that. And we gonna, you know what I'm saying? Get it right. You alright?
Oh yeah. Well, y'all see what Tariq is doing. I'm about to try to do something. It's a good day to be in the South. I lied. It's a good day to be in the South. We got the snow outside. I'm super happy. I wish y'all could see how much I'm smiling right now. But like this is overly insane, gang. But probably gonna set y'all up and I'm probably gonna do something. I lost my gloves. But yeah. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Get a mic for y'all boys and girls. We're gonna try to film some more content later on. The title of this video probably gonna be like, I survived a blizzard. Or some shit like that. I survived a slow story. Crazy thing. Last night, I was talking junk to my brother about something I seen on Facebook. And about somebody not having gloves. I had gloves last night, and now I don't have gloves. So we using some socks, man. You know, real life trench shit. Look, you feel me? But I don't know what I'm about to do. I'll probably hit my brother with a snowball. Like this junk is gritty. Oh, it ain't sticking. Why it ain't sticking? I'm scared. I want to do a snow angel, but I'm dumb scared because this junk is mad cold, V. Like mad brick. I thought that bitch had... This is OC, dude. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I want to do. I was seeing on social media, the people, bro, they taking a snowboard, like the little boards, and they hooking themselves up to the car, and they driving the car, and they skating down the street. Yeah, I need some white friends. White people do stuff like that. Niggas don't do that. Oh my God, look at this. This is snow. For the South Carolinians that ain't never seen snow, this is snow. And I hope that all of South Carolina got snow. Even oh, look at that. It look like the state. But even though that we didn't get snow last time, the rest of you South Carolinians got snow. I hope y'all got snow this time for real. This is overly insane, bro. Like, how do we feel? I'm probably gonna take a walk around the neighborhood, and yeah, but we about to have some fun. You, giggity, giggity. All right, y'all boys and girls, we're about to attempt to make a snowman. Do it, do it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Okay, what am I doing? We're about to attempt to make a snowman. Y'all see my little brother made Shamar. I don't know what the hell gave him. My brother did make a Shamar. But yeah, I'm probably about to attempt to make a snowman. I know I'm probably gonna fail. Just because, bro, this snow not sticking like how I would want it to. But yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie, this video gonna be him. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We took flicks last night. I ain't gonna lie, me and my little bro. What? If you don't got a camera, get a camera. We took flicks last night in the snow. While the snow was coming down, and Brody, when I say we cook. Them jokes gonna be so true. I'm probably gonna drop them in this video. I don't know because I don't know when I'm dropping those pictures because I just dropped yesterday on Tuesday, the 21st. Then I'm dropping a surprise music video or music. I'm dropping a surprise song this weekend, and then I don't know, bro. And then we're supposed to be taking some more flicks Thursday tomorrow, but I really don't know, dude. Like, I don't know, bro. It's actually kind of crazy out here, but I'm about to attempt to make this snowman. I don't know, but they got people out here riding on ATVs and stuff out here, so that's pretty hard. If you had to work today, I hope you get off. I hope you could get off early today and come enjoy the snow. Because at the end of the day, bro, we only get, being from South Carolina, bro, nigga, you probably only gonna get snow once every 15 years or some shit like that.
Yeah. Baby, I'm astounded by your lifestyle. I wanna get to know you, baby girl, I'm talking right now. No, I'm not a dog, gonna play a mister right now. Yeah. La da da da, all jokes aside, can I know your name?
My brother about to murk off Shamar. He about to murk Shamar. Are you about to murk Shamar, right? No, he got on bait. Alright. I want to see this. I want to see him murk off Shamar.
See me?
Not the real Shamar though, just the snowman Shamar.
I'll put my shit down.
You're gonna be cold, buddy.
My shit down. You feel me?
We might go ahead and shoot a music video right here in the snow. Niggas ain't doing that. It's like, I feel like some niggas haven't even thought that use this snow as a way for content. Like, we recorded YouTube videos, but I'm about to go make some TikToks. I'm about to go do some fashion TikToks. And I'm about to, oh my God. He about to hit some more. He's about to hit some more.
What should I do? Should I like truck him? Should I kick his head on? Should I Jeff Hardy?
This is some crazy shit. Hold on, let me show somebody. Yeah. Ah, yeah, get it out. Yeah, do some. What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with that nigga? What's wrong with that nigga?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord!
Vô tô, cả vô xe bé, cả vô xe bé. Đã chạy, cả vô xe bé, cả vô xe bé. We about to have some fun. We about to have some fun in the snow. I'm about to tip a backflip in the snow. Yeah.
Let's do it. Go. I wanna see you shake it. Go. None of these niggas wanna see you make it. Go. I wanna see you shake it. Go. No, these niggas don't wanna see you make it. Go. I wanna see you shake it.
Oh my gosh, I got stone in my pants. He fucked his shoulder up. Well, that's gonna conclude today's episode of Jackass with me and my brother. See how boys and girls tomorrow.
about to die.
Yo! Hey man, so it is currently later on in the day and we are on the way to the store because I need to get some snacks. Which is crazy because I went to the store last night and I didn't get any snacks because I didn't know it was gonna snow. I forgot, but like, bro, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Like, bro, this how it's looking right now. You got people driving down slow. Cause people still gotta get to work, bro. Fortunately for us, I didn't have to go to work this morning. I was supposed to, but they hit my jack. My boss is like, "Hey, yo, shorty." He's like, "Say, yo, shorty, you ain't gotta come to work today, shorty. Stay home, cause you probably snowed in." Nigga, I don't even think I can get my car out of the driveway cause there's that much snow. This is crazy. Coming from some young Southern pop, better niggas. This is over the true, shut out. I think I know. But yeah, we're going to go to the store. I see y'all boys and girls a little bit later on. And yeah. So update on store run. We have to turn around because the store is closed, which is kind of on my behalf. I should have known because we tried to go to a dollar store, and them niggas at that dollar store, they're nice people, but them motherfuckers lazy. I don't know, them motherfuckers lazy. But yeah, look at that. But we gotta go to another store, and we gotta go to another store, and I'll see y'all boys and girls later.
Yeah, baby, let's kick it in. Bobby riding no 20s, you know that bitch slide. Got a ball mansions with a go yard back, girl, I know you ready to ride. I ain't smoke no weed all day, on no why I'm so damn high. Let's just slow ride. Yeah, attacking me all in the ground, top of my man, girl, we taking it slow. Hop in the car, time I go mad fast and put your foot to the floor. While this car keep following me, I keep my fire on me. They keep on following this car, they gon' die